Good evening. I'm Texas Storm Chasers Building-in-Chief David Reimer. A bit after 8 p.m. here on Thursday, the 9th of January, 2024. We're covering a winter storm ongoing across portions of the state. Let's take a look. You can see over the last few hours, we have seen snow continue in the Panhandle. An overperforming winter storm for sure up here in the Panhandle. We had forecast 1 to 4 inches of snow. We're up to a foot just south of Amarillo. Very impressive snow band has sat there most of the day and blew our forecast away. So, well, I wish that was a surprise, but, we told you Mother Nature's going to throw surprises at us, and that's just one of them. So, here we go, across portions of Texoma, now towards Denton, just west of Keller to Fort Worth, down towards just near Granbury, Highway 377. We have the rain-snow line that's beginning to transition back to the southeast. We do expect that to move through the DFW Metroplex over the next couple of hours, bringing heavy wet snow back to the Metroplex before we see snow begin to move out early Friday morning. Otherwise, this is indicating a bit of sleet, frozen precipitation at times across East Texas, Northeast Texas. Notice temperatures here, East Texas are above freezing. Palestine, Nacogdoches, well, Nacogdoches technically is down to 32, but, Lufkin, Dibble, Crockett, y'all 34. So freezing rain not happening because it needs to be below freezing. We do have some sleet mixed in. Up here, Northeast Texas, I-30, temperatures are at or below freezing, which has resulted in accumulations of frozen precipitation, ice, sleet, snow, on most roadways and exposed objects. Back here in DFW, we've been kind of wavering between rain, snow, even some sleet. It'll start snowing again soon, most of DFW. Down here, Hill Country, Central Texas, South Central Texas, Southeast Texas, the Golden Triangle, the Coastal Plains, the Coastal Bend, Rio Grande Plains. It's cold. It's only 39 in Houston, 39 in Zapata and Laredo. That is actually really stinking cold for y'all. But it's safely above freezing. No winter precipitation for you. Let's go ahead and take a look at the super duper awesome blossom. I can make up marketing idioms too. High resolution rapid refresh. Here is what we see this evening and overnight. You can see we will see snow back in the DFW Metroplex in the next couple of hours, but it should be moving east of the Metro probably a couple hours after midnight. We may even see the rain-snow line move into parts of Waco, Temple, Belton, even parts of Austin may see a bit of wet snow early Friday morning. Can't completely rule it out in Bryan. And then you can see heavy wet snow continues well into Friday morning, probably ending by sunrise in Northeast Texas. The rain across the southeastern half of the state will end as well by sunrise. So what does this mean for additional snow accumulations? Well, it's worth noting now that we're past sunset, we're going to start seeing roads ice up where temperatures are below freezing, and we have water, sleet, snow, ice, whatever you want it to be. These are additional snow totals this evening tonight. You can see the models are trying to drop an additional 2 to 5 inches of snow, especially northern parts of the DFW Metroplex up towards Montague County, Cook County, Grayson County, essentially Munster, Gainesville, Sherman, towards Paris. This model indicates maybe a quick rain snow mix, even into parts of the Brazos Valley, East Texas. Again, we do not expect significant snow accumulations in East Texas, the Brazos Valley, Central Texas tonight. You might get a period of wet snow mixing in, but we shouldn't see issues. And then for the next few hours, we're going to start winding things down in the Panhandle as crash of the cold front comes in, but that's introducing a new hazard because there's a foot of snow on the ground in spots with 50-mile-an-hour winds, creating near blizzard conditions with blowing snow, and it's going to drift the snow. So that wasn't supposed to be on the bingo card tonight, but because snow totals exceeded expectations by 300 to 400%, now it is. So again, this is all going to be over by morning. Travel, probably not a good idea overnight as we deal with snow and water freezing up on roads. And we're going to see the potential for things to thaw out Friday morning through Friday afternoon. But as we get into Friday night, Saturday morning, we're definitely going to see additional problems because it's going to fall into the teens and 20s. So any water, snow, whatever left on roads will freeze. So that's it for your evening update. We're going to be keeping an eye on things. You can watch live storm chasing video on TexasStormChasers.com, the Texas Storm Chasers YouTube channel, and we'll keep you updated overnight with the ongoing winter storm. By the way, we're having coastal flooding as well. Up here, upper Texas Gulf Coast, could see 3 to 4 feet of inundation on the beaches, thanks to this storm system. All right, we'll keep you updated.